28, 2012 to be announced. To be announced yun. Depende yun sa growth natin. Kung kaya natin punuin ang Araneta Coliseum ng 50,000 katao, pwede tayo ron. Pero pag lesser than that, we may have to choose for a smaller venue. Pero Coliseum pa rin. Di ba? Marami naman Coliseum eh. Pag-usapan natin yung January 28 soft launching. So, meron tayong mga napili na magpe-present. No? Meron tayong mga sasayaw, meron tayong kakanta sa banda. I don't know kung meron magsusolo. Member nata si Sarah Hieronimo, di ba? Kakanta siya, di ba?
Yes.
Ay, hindi ka, pangalan lang pala yun. Pangalan. So, marami tayong presenters. It will be an enjoyable event. No? That event, gusto kong liwanagin sa inyo, it is not the event of Nutribiz International Management. It is your event. Yeah. After all, Nutribiz International is founded on the principle of helping new entrepreneurs to have their own business. So by having this kind of event, introducing your businesses to different clients, to different customers, yung mga dadali natin, yung mga guests ninyo, negosyo natin yun eh. So let us solidify ourselves and create yung team na mas cohesive. Mas cohesive na sense na walang iiwanan. For example, may naiwan pala doon sa cable. Yung palang cable, muntik nang mapigtas. Kaya natigil sila roon. Kaya may naiwan doon. Isang tao lang, balikan natin. Kasi sabihin, sinimulan natin ito, dapat walang maiwanan. No? So ngayon, this coming 28, ang pwede lang maka-attend is limited to 150 katao. So meaning, kung wala pa kayong ticket, you have to avail of the ticket as of now. As of today, kailangan mag-avail kayo. Pag wala pa rin, ang pinakahuli natin is on Wednesday. Pagdating ng Thursday, wala nang ticket. So 150. So make sure na kapag may ticket ka, attend ka. Otherwise, ibigay mo yan sa iba. Kasi sayang yung ticket, halagang 1,000 yan. Okay? So that is just the soft launching to introduce our businesses to our customers, yung mga naimbita natin, because we are serious in doing this business because we all want to become financially successful. We all would want to become very, very rich. Tama ba? Yes. That's the reason why nakita nyo naman yung Tagaytay Highlands, pinapakita sa atin para makita natin kung ano ang magiging feeling kung ikaw meron ng lugar na kagaya niyan, because you are involved in business. You are involved in a business na kumikita ka every week because you are involved in a business called Nutribiz International.
Ay, grabe.
So, one of the strengths ng marketing system natin is that we inculcate travels. So, you've noticed last January, kailan ba yung sir? Last 2 weeks ago in Caliraya, practice yun, ano? Nagpunta tayo sa Lake Caliraya. So, we select some leaders to come. And then, ito naman, nandito tayo ngayon sa Tagaytay Highlands. Ang next trip na pupuntahan natin, i-announce namin kung saan, kung kailan pala, kung i-announce namin later kung kailan, but the place is already identified. It will be at Pico de Loro in Batangas, somewhere in Nasugbo, Calatagan. It's owned by the SM group of companies, no? Yung Pico de Loro, it's actually a condominium type resort, parang Boracay, no? It's still exclusive for the very, very rich people. It's the sister company of Tagaytay Highlands. So yun, pwede tayong pumunta roon. Yun, wala nang limit ang pwedeng pumunta roon. Ngayon kasi nililimit natin. Then advance ko rin announce sa inyo, it could be by March or by April, wala ring limit. Bigyan nyo lang kami ng preparation, ipiprepare namin. Kailangan ayos mo na yung venue. Kasi 3 days yun. So aalis tayo rito ng Friday, ng umaga, daling araw. Probably darating tayo doon Friday ng hapon. Yung iba, yung sasakay sa aeroplano, isang oras lang nandun na sila. And then we could stay there Saturday and Sunday. Monday, uwi na tayo. Diba? So magandang lugar yun kasi gusto ng mga ordinary tao yun na yung mga hindi pa nakarating doon, this is now your chance to go there as a group. Marami na kasi nakapunta roon, kasama nila, girlfriend nila, asawa nila, lula nila, o galing sa abroad, sinamahan nila. So doon tayo it could be by March or April, depende doon sa venue na aarkilahin natin. As a group tayo. So walang limit yun. So if we could bring as many people as we can, if we could bring let's say 500 katao, mas maganda. Diba? So yun ang gagawin natin. So we will announce the place. The place is Boracay Island in Malay Aklan. Punta tayo roon, maraming session na mangyari. It will be more of training.